Imagine this, your Telegram account gets frozen. Then you wait for days and nothing changes. And out of this frustration, you end up deleting your account. And now, in due process, the regret kicks in. Can I get it back? Well, in this video, I'll be explaining in details what happens if your account has been frozen or deleted, and whether there are some ways to bring back the account. Spoiler alert, there is a lot you need to know, and faster. Well, frozen means that Telegram has paused or restricted your account due to the following reasons: suspicious or spammy activity, too many login attempts, violations of the Telegram terms. In rare cases, server bugs or login failures. Most of the users are worried about frozen accounts. They think that it's a permanent ban, but again, it's something temporary. When you delete your account, this is what happens. It is permanently deleted after you confirming. Now you may be asking yourself that maybe you did something by accident, you didn't intend to delete your account. Well, what I can say about that is there is a reason why Telegram brings confirmation prompt to you, making sure that you're not making a mistake. If maybe they couldn't bring it in that way, maybe that would be a concern. But again, imagine they've sent you, are you sure you want to delete the account? And you just accept after reading through like what will happen to your account. They even clear in most cases that you will lose your media, your chats, your everything. Your account will go back to as new. Now it's important for you to note that Telegram will not store any data of yours, including your chats, your contacts, your media. Just put it in mind that it's gone. I actually don't think that there are means of recovery. Now I can predict what you're thinking right now. You're like, maybe let me use the same number. Maybe by accident Telegram will retrieve my chats or something. But let me give you sad news. When you use that very number, Telegram will recognize it as a brand new number. So it's just a brand new number. You're creating another account, not the other one that you had previously, which had your chats and your media, your everything. So you're recreating another account. Please know that Telegram is different from the other platforms that you know. For example, WhatsApp, Gmail. In Telegram, when you delete your account, it's gone. You have to restart afresh. Well, to be honest, Telegram doesn't bring out any options of recovery after deleting your account. But maybe you can try the following. You never know. You may get some of your data back, but this is 99% chances. So you don't have to say that maybe when you try these methods, you'll be able to retrieve your account. No, please. This is what I can offer as me, according to what I think. This is according to what I think, not according to my experience. So you just try it out. You never know, it may work for you. You need to log in with your number. I mean your account that you had deleted. You never know, there may be some chances that maybe you didn't delete your number and now you log in and you recover some of your data. But like I told you before, this is like a 99% chance of you recovering your account. So you need to also check if your chats were backed up on another device, for instance, the Telegram desktop. This may probably save you, maybe. You just have to try it out. You may have the data that you backed up maybe, and you may restore some of your data back. Then you can also search in your device storage the exported charts or saved media. You may be able to retrieve some of the data that you had. Then you also have to contact Slogan support. Link is in the description of this video, or you can watch my separate video I did about the multiple ways of contacting Slogan support. Now, whenever I tell you to contact Slogan support, I usually tell you that you need to be polite, include your country code plus your phone number. Then you need to clarify on your message clearly, like you're explaining to someone that doesn't know anything concerning your account. Just you need to explain yourself. That's the only thing. If you don't explain yourself, then the response will be according to how you've reached out to them. Now, Telegram support rarely recovers deleted accounts, but if your account was frozen because of maybe an error in the servers, or maybe they can restore your account, they can bring back your account. Prevention is better than recovery. Here is some of the ways how you can prevent this from happening. Set up a two-step verification. You will set up your two-step verification code in that whenever you log in, you have to insert the two-step verification. Now, you don't have to share your login code with anyone, even the Telegram bot. This will save you many things. These login codes are like passwords. If you share your password and the person knows your number, that means they can get a way of hacking into your account. They have how they can do it, though there are some security measures, but most hackers can, if they get something like that, for instance, your login code plus your phone number, though your login code expired, but I don't know how they can do it, but you can find yourself that your account has been hijacked. Avoid suspicious groups and spammy links. Now, if you're a group person, I know most of the people like or is joining groups. Maybe the group is about a different niche, maybe someone is interested in. I know some people are so much interested in particular groups because they lie under particular niches that they're interested in. Now, such people, for instance, let me give an example. This category of people like researchers. Researchers don't only go online like using Google or other research tools. They also engage into these groups to find out, most especially the productive groups. I'm not saying that these groups are bad, but you just have to be careful of groups. In that, you find that there's some groups where you join and they're full of spammy links. And spammy links are not only shared in groups, but they can also be sent to you. So you just have to avoid clicking into these links. You just have to avoid to always just texting anyone anyhow. You know, these are small things, but they can affect your account in the long run. You may when you're chatting with someone, you may make mistakes. You can chat and they share a link, you're addicted to click the link, and boom, you've lost your account. And after you losing the account, these people will use your account with crimes or something, and now Telegram will just freeze your account or will ban or anything of that sort. So you just have to be careful of that. Now, regularly you need to export your chats using a Telegram desktop. This will help you in instances like this. Your account has frozen. Maybe you've deleted your account by mistake. If you have exported charts, at least you have a backup. You have some data. So this will be easy to retrieve your messages and all that. So you just have to always export to the Telegram desktop. And if you don't have any other account, I always tell you in my videos that you don't have to have only one account of Telegram. In case something goes wrong with this device, it's stolen. Sometimes people struggle with the login codes. The only solution you have to do is to embark on the other, and if you get another device, then the code will be just sent on the other device, maybe your desktop, something like that. Now the other thing is you don't need to delete your account out of frustration. Instead, just log out. I know sometimes when you're under pressure, you're acting under pressure, you find that your account has been frozen, then you're like, let me just delete this account, maybe I'll be able to access it. You're risking your account, you're risking your data. This takes just patience. Maybe you just log out, you've not lost your data. Again, when you try to delete the account, you're putting your data at risk. You just have to be patient, and you'll get the code. You'll get the code after some time, because now if you're logging in, it may be hard for you to get the login code. But if you be patient and Telegram after restores your account, or you after contacting Telegram, then your account is back. Your data will be back. Now you need to use Telegram desktop or web. This can save you from doing anything that you will regret with your Telegram account. For instance, your account has been frozen. Try using Telegram web or Telegram desktop. You may recover your account. You never know. Maybe your app has issues and you think that Telegram is hindering you from accessing your account. So you need to try multiple avenues like Telegram web, Telegram desktop, so that you get the broader picture. Sometimes these apps crash, and at times you may think that your account has a problem, yet it's something else. So trying these multiple devices can save you a lot. Pro tip section: quick fixes for frozen accounts. Now if your Telegram account has been frozen, try Telegram web. I've placed the link in the description. Now the other thing, try switching networks. If you've been using Wi-Fi, try mobile data. If you've been using mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi. The other thing is try to clear the cache and force stop the app. This can help you clear the glitches in the app or something. So when you clear these glitches, you may get the access to your so-called frozen account. If you're mistaking it to be frozen, yet it's not frozen. Now you also need to use another device. Try using another device. You may try to change phone and try logging in another phone, or using a PC as we mentioned, a Telegram desktop. Request the SMS instead of the code in the app. Now by default, Telegram will send the login code to another Telegram device of the same account. If you see that you're not even getting the code, they're sending it to another device, yet you don't have the device, what you have to do is you need to request the SMS. There is that option of requesting for the code to be sent via SMS. Now the other thing is you need to contact Telegram support before deleting your account. Basically, maybe Telegram will consider your issue and they work on it there and then. Rather than rushing, you don't have to rush. Then the other thing that I can talk about is you need to install Telegram X. Telegram X is a game changer in these situations. If it's getting the code, it has multiple ways of getting the code. You can register using your email and you get your account back. So try to install Telegram X. If you don't know how to install it and how to get the email, try my videos that I did earlier. Now this is the bottom line. If your Telegram account has been frozen, don't panic. There are multiple ways. There are multiple ways as I described in the video. So you just have to follow all those ways. If they fail, please, you have to comment so that I can help you out. But if you've deleted your account, to be honest with you, the chances are zero. I don't want to give you high hopes and you'll be like, I talked about this, those are like, you never know. Like as I said in the video, that maybe your account has been, it didn't delete fully, so you can recover some of the chats or some data. But what you have to always put in mind is that Telegram doesn't recover deleted accounts. Once you delete your account, the data is gone. You have to start afresh. But that doesn't mean that you need to lose all the hope that you have. No, you just have to do what you have to do. And if it fails, then maybe you have to reach out to me. Comment in the comments below. You can rebuild, secure your account and start afresh, and you'll never run into this again since you've known the cause of all these. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And yeah, that has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.